Hey guys, Sid here with another trade recap, and I'm doing this trade recap on the following day. This trade I took on yesterday, which is 16th August, on Monday. That is on Monday, and this trade was kind of like funny because it happened by mistake. And let me tell you what exactly happened. So this stock, Trevor Therapeutics, so it was showing some momentum, but I was expecting some kind of like a pullback when market opens, and exactly that happened. And on this candle, it started ripping up higher, and it went high around like 2134, and I thought like, okay, it's going to go even higher because it was showing some strong momentum at that time. I was not sure whether to take a trade on it or not, and I took this trade in my Tdameritrade account. I will show you exactly what happened over there, but initially I placed a $500 order, and it didn't get filled up right away, so I canceled that order. Kind of like a funny mistake and costly one, obviously. I put an order. Let me show you what exactly happened. So these are my trades that I took on TVTX, and as you can see here, I bought 250 shares at 21.22. Let's round it to 21.22, and sold everything as 1971, or let's round it to 1972. So on per share, I lost $1.50. And what exactly happened over here is uh, I put $250 order right here, and my mouse button was here, and I was looking on my other PC, sorry, my on my other screen, and I was checking the price action, and accidentally I pressed. And when I realized that, okay, I bought everything over here, I was expecting it to go little bit higher because I was not entirely sure. I set a price target of 50. I guess I set a price target of 50 cents more, around like 22 dollars or something, or not 22, 21.50 dollars. Yes, exactly. And then it flushed down, and I said like, oh my god, what just happened? And I was still holding the stock, holding 250 shares when it was coming down, hoping that it will go up, and I would be able to sell all my positions for break even or slight profit, but that didn't happen. And on this candle, I finally sold out everything at 1921 or something. 1921. What's the price action over there? Anyway, you got what I want to say here. Don't do this type of mistake, because this type of mistake, just imagine if I uh, was in a position with like 1,000 shares or something like that, then that would have been significant loss, and that's not a good scenario to be in. So be careful what you're doing. Pay 100% of your focus and attention to the trade that you are in or you are going to take. That being said, that's it for this video. I lost $375 to 150 shares, $1.50 share, $1.50 loss per share. So you can do the math. Is $375, and it's not a good scenario to be in, specifically when you know that it's not that stock is not the strongest one, and you enter into the trade by mistake. Well, that being said, as usual, trading is risky. Enter into the trade by your with your own risk. Manage your risk whenever you enter into the trade. Before entering into the trade, just study everything, get familiar with the market conditions, chart pattern, and everything. If you are not sure what you are doing, consult with your financial advisor, do some paper trading, get a feel of trading, and then jump into the trade. As usual, this is not a financial advice video. This is just for entertainment and educational purposes. I hope you get some value from it. Thank you for watching, and see you in next trade. Bye.